Okay everyone, me and my sister are going to do a package, aren't we? So let's open it up. Okay. Oh. We have Mario and dayze.
Wow.
And we're going to open dayze first so my sister can hold it. Sophia, you can hold dayze after I get her out the package. Here's the All-Star dayze plush, really cool.
Let's
And
see.
Super Mario.
Bring it to the camera.
What?
Camera.
What?
Put it up to the camera.
Okay, so we put it up to the cat. Here's dayze.
Oh wait. Where's our tag?
It's the All-Stars collection dayze.
Okay.
And here we have the is it Little Buddy? Because Little Buddy's Little Buddy Super Mario plushie. I love this one. So cool.
And why did you want that one again?
Because it's small and so I can ride my Yoshis. Wait a sec, I'll get it in a Yoshi. Keep the camera on, Mum. Yeah. Mum,
Look at
look.
that.
What did you...
Just paused it.
Here it's so unique. You put the blue Yoshi and Mario together. So, yeah, pretty cool plushies. Sophia, put them up to the screen. And there's the plushie that we got.
Boy?
I'm a really happy boy. Sophia's happy. Because I'm going to share my Mario plushies with her. Don't we? I don't even know. I've got lots and lots of plushies. Like the Mario ones. I've Mario the most. And I'm happy that I got the small one. Mom, isn't it so cute?